Hey there, welcome back to Tech Kingo. Today, we're taking a look at the best optical power meter that helps you test networks with speed, accuracy, and confidence. If you want a reliable tool that makes fiber testing simple and stress-free, this one is worth checking out. Stick around to see what makes it stand out. Let's get started. So the product we are talking about is the Comtico AUA330U optical power meter. And right away, it feels like a solid and dependable device. It is built for modern network testing, where accuracy and efficiency really matter. The design is simple, but it focuses on giving you everything you need to handle fiber diagnostics without complications. One of the first features you will notice is the soft silicone protective sleeve. The Comtico AUA330U optical power meter is designed to handle rough conditions, and this protective layer helps absorb shocks from drops or accidental bumps. It keeps the device safe and working properly, which is very important when you are working in busy or outdoor environments. Another important feature is the two-port straight-through design. This allows smooth communication between OLT and ONT during testing. In simple terms, it keeps the data flow active while you measure signals. This means you can test without interrupting the network, which saves time and makes the process much easier. The Comtico AUA330U optical power meter also supports 3 wavelengths at the same time. This is a big advantage because modern fiber networks often use different wavelengths. Instead of testing one by one, you can check multiple signals together. It gives you a clearer and faster understanding of network performance. Accuracy is another strong point of this device. It maintains a control error within ±0.5 dB. This means your readings are very close to the actual values, so you can trust the results. When you're diagnosing problems or checking performance, this level of precision really makes a difference. The device is also compact and easy to carry. The Comtico AUA330U optical power meter fits comfortably in your hand or tool bag, so you can move around without any hassle. Even though it is small, it does not compromise on performance. Another thing to mention is how practical the overall design is. Every feature is placed with purpose, making the device simple to use. You do not need to struggle with complicated controls. Everything feels straightforward and efficient. When it comes to design, the Comtico AUA330U optical power meter combines durability with a clean and professional look. The protective sleeve, compact size, and smart layout all work together to create a tool that feels reliable and ready for daily use. Small tool, big performance. If you are interested, check the price link in the description and see if it fits your needs. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more awesome product videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.